Hey guys, I'm here at the Gathering Place Park. Hadn't been here this year yet, so I thought I'd come and check it out and do a little video. Got some swimming turtles down there, a couple little baby ones too. I know they're been doing some more work out here, and especially on the pedestrian bridge that's on the other side of the park. So I'm gonna walk that direction and film that, check that out, see how far along they are on it. The original pedestrian bridge, of course, they pretty much tore all of it down, and I think the original plan was to not replace it, and a lot of people got in an uproar about that and wrote letters and stuff, and so they decided to go ahead and build a new one. You know, and the pedestrian bridge takes you from this side of the Arkansas River to the west side. So, but this pretty cool park. A lot of people come out here, especially with their kids. It's really designed mostly for kids. I don't know if they're got the canoes and paddle boats going. They do have some of those out here. And last year when we came out, they didn't have them. You got little kids there feeding the goldfish. They're coming. It's a beautiful park. Yeah, they're having a lot of fun with those fish. They do have sitting places and I think places to eat and stuff too. They got some big old koi fish. I think they're used to people feeding them. They're all coming over here where I'm at. Suckers are big. Yeah, they're all coming over here because they're wanting food. Yeah, I don't have any food. Boy, look at the size of that one. He's big. Suckers so big they probably eat all day long. You can see the crane with the flag up in there. That's where they're working on the pedestrian bridge.
This is where what I'm looking for. I'm about to dive in. Are you? Oh.
See, they got all kinds of toys out here for these kids to play on. Well, we'll see if they got any canoes going. It doesn't look like it. It looks like they're all still parked. Yeah, they got them all still stored there. Got a little jet ski in the water there. I guess that's for whoever works here. But you can see over there. You can see the canoes are all on a thing that lowers them down. Stuff. They got a couple of paddle boats in the middle. But they don't have them going. They didn't have them going last year either. I don't know what the deal is with that. Alright, I'll just get a good look at where they're at with all this. You see they got kind of built themselves a major construction site. They've dammed up the river. So they're able to get down in there and stuff. Yeah, they got a lot going on. The old pedestrian bridge was wooden, and of course you can see some of the old original walkway and dam thing from where the running path used to kind of come down through there. But yeah, you can kind of see where there's part of the bridge they built where that brown and the pillars are. That's going to come all the way over here. But my understanding is they're going to build some other stuff too. And you can see they're building some more platforms, stuff right there. And of course on that side, I don't think it's open yet, but they're building a kayak park area where people can put kayaks in the water and have some rapids and stuff. But they've dammed this up pretty good, so they're able to get down in there and work on it. It's going to be interesting. I mean, they're going to have this bridge here. Looks like maybe they're building another something else along with the bridge. They're building more stuff down in that area too, you can see. So this is going to be a lot more than just a pedestrian bridge. I'm not sure what all they got going on. Yeah, they got you can see they built a pillar here, so that bridge that you see up there is going to wrap all the way around over to this path right here. It'll connect the path and you'll be able to walk over it over to that side. But they're building some other stuff, so it's going to be interesting to see what all this looks like when they get done. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And once you get those of you that aren't familiar with this path here goes all as far down as you can see over there and stretches all the way down towards Bixby. And then when you get over on that side, the path kind of starts once you get on the other side of the bridge, and the path runs all the way along that side of the river all the way down where Southwest Boulevard and stuff is, several miles back down that way. When you get down that far bridge that you see where some cars are going over, that's 21st Street Bridge. On the other side of that, there's a park on the west side, and that's where they have Oktoberfest every year, that's a lot of fun. They built these tunnels. It's all part of the gathering place when they built them. They used to not be here. course, this runs along, there's a neighborhood just on the other side of this road right there. There's some pretty nice homes and stuff. Right now I'm on the path that runs along this neighborhood, and they got these barriers that go up and down for the pedestrian traffic, so these people over here don't hit you coming through. And this is going to take me all along the outer part of the park. There's Gathering Place Park there. I just got to make sure I don't overshoot where I parked at, because I parked on down and around. This path, that they improved it, but it wasn't this wide. But back before the Gathering Place was built, this path was actually already here. It was just an asphalt path, just enough for people to run this way and come this way. It wasn't this wide. Back when I used to run track and cross country, this is where we'd come out and train, and we'd run down it. You can see there's people's homes and backyards right there. Morning. So they got, well, all these trees have always been here. Try to put a barrier up so you can't see back there real good, you know. Some nice homes. I like that house. I like their swimming pool. Got a cool pool. See, there's parking. Some steps up here. I better go ahead and go down them, because other than that I may see my truck, and I don't want to walk through all that tall grass downhill. This path here will actually run all the way to basically downtown Tulsa. You can see more of the play stuff, the castle, play castle for the kids right there. And as you can see, they got plenty of parking. But it can get really busy around here, especially on the weekends, where it's almost hard to find parking. This park's so big. And we're back at the car. I'll film some more video later on. Thanks for watching.